What's up, everybody? Welcome to the shed shop. This is a 7x7 Craftsman plastic shed that we got on sale at Lowe's. It's worked out great. My little brother helped me put it together. But I've got an issue. I need more storage, but I've got a plan. So check this out. I found this in the back corner of my yard. We are going to put this in the roof to make like a storage basket. So I think it'll be cool. It'll be a short, simple project that I think you guys may get some value out of. So I wanted to share it with you and have a good time. So let's go. So if I bring you guys in here with me, you can see there's a lot of space up here in the roof, right? Now, what I like are these things right here. And there's these little holes that I can tie wire cable through, like I did for this bar that I'm using to hold the light on. I can thread the basket through these, come across there, and we can make a basket up in the eave of this. So we're gonna give it a shot. But like with most projects, it starts with, probably should clean this out first. Honestly, that should be enough. We need to measure. So we're about 45 inches. We'll need a few inches on each side extra. That way we can wrap it around these things to secure it. Now here's the fun part. We're gonna take this, measure it, make the cuts for it on our handy dandy privacy fence workbench. As it turns out, we may not need to cut it. It may not be long enough. So we gotta straighten it out real good to make the most of it. So we've got it straightened out pretty good. I'm gonna see about mounting it up there. So, now we just need to tighten everything down real good. Alright, try the other side. So obviously we're not going to put anything super heavy up here, but it works. So here it is. Pretty sturdy. And we'll have all that extra storage room right up there, right above the door, for whatever we need. I have these old chairs that I took apart. These chairs were awful, like dangerously awful. You could sit on them, they'd be rickety, and it was just a bad deal. We're gonna put those up there. Nice. Yes. That helped a lot. So you can see it looks like a mess up there, but it's working. Fun video for you guys. Did you like it? Did you not like it? My goal is to turn this shed into a usable kind of shop that we can have some fun projects in, you know, learn with each other along the way, just kind of figure some stuff out. Thanks for joining us, guys. It was fun. I'm glad I got the project done. It's been something on my mind. It was really cool that I found that wire, and it was like, idea. I needed a storage basket up there. So, there you go. Peace out, everybody.